Want to speak real Persian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at PersianPod101.com.
فارسی یاد گرفتن سرگرم کننده و آسونه. Persian is fun and easy to learn. فارسی یاد گرفتن سرگرم کننده و آسونه. Persian is fun and easy to learn. Yes, it is absolutely, and this is really beautiful. And when you start to learn Persian, you open the door of Persia's treasure of culture, beauty, and even wisdom. فارسی رو خودم دارم یاد میگیرم. I'm learning Persian all by myself. فارسی رو خودم دارم یاد میگیرم. I'm learning Persian all by myself. Nowadays with internet, all free materials and good resources for learning. You can do self-learning fast and easy, but if it was 50 years ago, it wasn't that much easy. من هر چیو که گفتی کامل فهمیدم. I completely understood everything you said. من هر چیو که گفتی کامل فهمیدم. I completely understood anything you said is perfect. Congratulations. It means you can easily communicate with the Persians and you can speak with them easily. من میخوام معلم زبان فارسی بشم. I want to become a Persian language teacher. من میخوام معلم زبان فارسی بشم. I want to become a Persian language teacher. I was a teacher before when I was in Iran, and I know being and working as a mu'allim is very interesting and it is full of fun. دوست دارم بتونم یه روز کتاب ترجمه کنم. I'd like to be able to translate books. دوست دارم بتونم یه روز کتاب ترجمه کنم. I'd like to be able to translate books some days. I hope you really can do that. The books of Rumi and Khayyam, the Persian poet of 800 years ago, now are among the bestseller of US books. استفاده کردن از انرژی های پاک. To use clean energies. استفاده کردن از انرژی های پاک. To use clean energies. با استفاده از انرژی های پاک آلودگی هوای کمتری خواهیم داشت. By using clean energies we will have less air pollution. Renewable energy resources like wind and solar power generate electricity, cause low or even no pollution and of course global warming. از محیط زیست مراقبت کردن. To care for the environment. از محیط زیست مراقبت کردن. To care for the environment. شما چگونه از محیط زیست مراقبت می کنید؟ How do you care for the environment? For me, caring of the environment is accompanied with a big less. Yeah, always less power, less water, and please make less rush. از محصولات دوستدار اکوسیستم استفاده کردن. To use eco-friendly products. از محصولات دوستدار اکوسیستم استفاده کردن. To use eco-friendly products. لباسهای نخی از محصولات دوستدار محیط زیست هستند. Cotton clothing is an eco-friendly product. When I was pregnant, I always was very caring about the product which I used, about the clothes, makeups, and I always read the labels. Is that organic? Is that 100% natural? And I taking care of my baby also is like that. But anyway, the eco-friendly products are not meaning 100% natural. Any products which don't harm environment even during the production called eco-friendly. So maybe a product which made 100% from recycled maybe it can be considered as eco-friendly product. آب را هدر ندادن. Not to waste water. آب را هدر ندادن. Not to waste water. برای جلوگیری از خشکسالی آب را هدر ندهیم. To prevent droughts, let's not waste water. Yes, please. Do not leave the tap running when you are brushing your teeth. And when you are washing the dishes, when you have to come up from the bath halfway for answering your phone. از وسایل نقلیه عمومی استفاده کردن. To use public transport. از وسایل نقلیه عمومی استفاده کردن. To use public transport. چند بار در هفته از وسایل نقلیه عمومی استفاده می کنید؟ How many times a week do you use public transportation? When I was a student, I almost used public transportation every day. But nowadays, with a small baby, I rarely use them. How about you? چند بار در هفته از وسایل نقلیه عمومی استفاده می کنید؟
Accountant.
حسابدار حسابدار
Adjective.
صفت صفت
Afternoon.
بعد از ظهر بعد از ظهر
Air conditioner.
دستگاه تهویه هوا دستگاه تهویه هوا
Airplane.
هواپیما هواپیما
Airport.
فرودگاه فرودگاه
Alcohol.
الکل الکل
Ankle.
قوزک پا قوزک پا
Appetizer.
پیش غذا پیش غذا
Apple.
سیب سیب
Apricots.
زردآلو زردآلو
April.
آوریل آوریل
Arm.
ساعد ساعد
Arrive.
رسیدن رسیدن
Attic.
اتاق زیرشیروانی اتاق زیرشیروانی
August.
آگوست آگوست
Autumn.
پاییز پاییز
Back door.
در پشتی در پشتی
Backbone.
ستون فقرات ستون فقرات
Door.
حیات خلوت حیات خلوت
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.